Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this tablet. So to get started, once you boot it up, you'll be presented with the language selection page right here. So find your desired language. So for me, it already selected the correct one, so that's what I'm going to be sticking with. And then moving on, by pressing the start, we can then connect to network. Now this is completely optional. You can connect to it if you want to, or you can skip it if you don't care. The only difference is throughout the setup process, if you skip this, you won't see Google login page, and additionally, date and time won't be set automatically. Both of those things can be changed later on once the process is finished by going into the settings. So there is the set date and time. Now, like I mentioned, if you connect to network, this will not show up at all for you. Then we have Google services. So we have three different ones. We have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can read exactly what these do and select or unselect them depending on what you want. From there, select accept from the bottom, and then we can add our screen lock. Now it automatically goes into a unlock with face, so face unlock. You can skip this if you don't want to. You can set up just a pattern, I believe. Let's see if I skip this. Yep, it goes into a pin, not a pattern. But we can change it if we want to, I believe. Let's see. Or not. Oh no, there it is. So just scroll down and you have screen lock options. And in here, you can choose also pattern or password if you want to use something else. And obviously you can also skip this altogether if you don't want to set up any kind of protection to your tablet. From there, you can choose your home screen style. So we have two different ones. We have the app drawer, and we have the all the apps on the home screen. As you can see, this is the home and drawer screen. So like I said, the first one, the app drawer, and this one would be all apps in the middle. Then moving on to the next page, we have lock screen setup. So we have two different types of lock screen. We have the TCL style, which has this, I believe it's a little bit like animated with the clock and a couple toggles. Or you have the classic, which is basically every other Android. And this finishes up the setup, so we can tap on finish. Now, before that actually finishes up, for some odd reason, we have the privacy policy. So obviously you can tap on either one of the blue text to read exactly what you're agreeing to, but you do have to select I agree before you can actually use the tablet itself. And this can be skipped. So there we go. Now to quickly show you just the lock screen that I have chosen, which is the standard one, this is how it looks like. So it just looks like a normal Android tablet like every other one does, while the TCL has just a different styling to it. And that's basically all it has. But anyway, with that being said, this is how you can set up your tablet, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.